Welcome to Online WHS Tutorials. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to complete the contractor 4-step compliance process. If you're a contractor, it's extremely important that you complete these 4 steps before you undertake work for the company that's actually sent you this link. In this section here in the WHS context, you will see your name and your email address. If not, you'll need to update that and complete it. If you do have a mobile phone number, you can enter it here. And just complete the rest of the form. If you're uploading an image inside the system, please make sure that it's a JPEG image. You can undertake any induction that's been assigned to you by clicking this button. You can actually send that induction to a subcontractor or another employee if you wish by selecting this button. When receiving the email, you may have received documents attached to it. If you did, you would actually complete those and actually enter those documents into this section here. You must enter your qualifications with alert dates and expiry dates. You can add more qualifications by hitting the green plus sign. If you're uploading a scanned document, please make sure that you reopen that scanned document and save it as a PDF, as it's not a true PDF when you've scanned it, and then upload. If you've got multiple employees, select this button here. If it's a subcontractor, select this link and then send them off that induction. You need to complete this form for all the employees that's going to undertake work for the company. You can add as many employees as you wish. Enter the activities you're undertaking for the company and upload your safe work method statements here. You can add multiple safe work method statements and multiple activities by hitting the plus sign. Upload a copy of your organizational safety policy. Again, if these documents are scanned documents, you'll need to open them up and save them as a PDF and then upload. But you can upload Word or PDF. Make sure you select Save. Once you select Save, it'll actually take you automatically to step 2, where you would actually work your way down these series of questions and select Save. And go through site safety, entering who is actually your site representative, and answer the following questions. Select Save. And finally, the most important one is entering all your insurances inside the system with alert dates and expiry dates. Just select the radio button to open up these fields. Enter an alert date by actually using the calendar up the top, then selecting on the day. You want to make an alert date to alert you prior to the expiry date of your insurances. You can upload a copy of your workers' compensation here. Again, if it's a scanned document, make sure that you save it as a PDF. Work your way down your insurances and complete all the fields as requested by the company. Select Save. Once you've selected Save, it will actually go into the company system and they'll have all your details where they can actually verify you and also supply you with a contractor card. I hope that helps you understand how to use the 4-step contractor compliance process.